Hi, this is Rohit Paradkar from OnCars India, and we are here to test the new Vista. Now, the Vista has always been a smart looker as compared to the docile Indica. But now this refreshed model gets the face from the Manza, so that means it gets the triple barrel headlights, the chrome grille, and a lot of chrome garnish all around. It has given the car a classier stance. A black applique on the rear windshield, black surrounds on the rear tail lights. It has given the car a hint of sportiness. The overall design now looks more contemporary as compared to the older one. So let's see what this car can do on the road. The Vista has always offered a good choice of engines, especially the 90 PS petrol and the quadrajet diesel. Now with a retuned suspension, it also has the handling to match. Overall, the car feels a lot more safer now, and with the grippier tires, it's also fun to drive. The interiors in the new Vista have been designed wisely. It's a sandwich design. There's black on top, black at the bottom, and a lot of beige in between. The black top basically eradicates all the reflections that you get into the windshield while driving in broad daylight, while the beige, it's a hot favorite amongst Indians, but Tata has used a darker shade here. It's easier on the maintenance, prevents dust, dirt, soiling. It just works well. The Vista now also gets electrically adjustable mirrors right from the second trim. It also has this awesome Blue 5 stereo system. You can pair up to 5 phones on Bluetooth. It also gets steering controls. This is kind of a segment first for this car because there are hardly any hatchbacks that give you these kind of features. This should definitely set the Vista apart. Then I really appreciate the 12-volt power socket on the rear seat. It really makes life simpler for the chauffeur-driven type. With a very comfortable ride, lots of space inside the cabin, decent amount of creature comforts, the new Vista offers the comfort of a sedan with the convenience of a small car. It's really a boon when you're driving in the city. Overall, the package has just worked very well for Tata.